Hey, Ash Girl here. Today you have to listen another English conversation with me. Please listen carefully for this conversation. For better experience, use headphones. Feel free to watch this video multiple times, pausing after each sentence or phrase to repeat and practice aloud. Okay, come with me.
Hey, what's your favorite hobby?
Oh, I love photography. It's a passion of mine.
That's awesome. What kind of photography do you enjoy?
I'm really into landscape photography. I love capturing the beauty of nature.
That sounds incredible. Have you been to any amazing locations for your photography?
Yes, I've been fortunate enough to visit some breathtaking places. The mountains and coastlines are my favorites.
I can imagine the stunning shots you must have captured. Do you have a favorite photograph that you've taken?
It's hard to choose just one, but there's a shot of a sunrise over a serene lake that holds a special place in my heart.
That sounds incredibly peaceful. Photography really allows you to capture those beautiful moments.
Absolutely. It's a way for me to express my creativity and share the beauty I see with others.
I can see how passionate you are about it. It must bring you so much joy.
It definitely does. What about you? What's your favorite hobby?
I'm really into playing the guitar. It's my way of unwinding and expressing myself.
That's fantastic. How long have you been playing?
I've been playing for about 5 years now. It's become such an important part of my life.
That's impressive. Do you play any specific genre of music?
I enjoy playing a variety of genres, but I'm particularly drawn to acoustic and classic rock.
That's awesome. Have you performed in front of others or joined a band?
I've played at a few open mic nights and small gigs with friends. It's a lot of fun collaborating with other musicians.
I can imagine the excitement and energy of performing live. It must be an incredible experience.
It definitely is. Playing the guitar allows me to connect with others through music.
That's the beauty of hobbies, they bring us joy, allow us to express ourselves, and create connections.
Absolutely. It's amazing how hobbies can enrich our lives in so many ways.
I couldn't agree more. It's wonderful to have something we're passionate about and enjoy doing.
It really is. Thanks for sharing your love for photography. It's been great talking to you.
Likewise. And thank you for sharing your passion for music. It's been a pleasure.
Let's keep pursuing our hobbies and finding joy in them. Take care.
Definitely. You take care too. Keep capturing those beautiful moments with your guitar and camera. Goodbye.